Every 4 years, we go through these crypto cycles, this great redistribution of crypto assets. And this cycle has been just like all the others. We're seeing the same thing happening. And in fact, there's an interesting stat when it comes to Bitcoin that I think may surprise a lot of people. There are now nearly 1 million blockchain addresses that now hold over 1 Bitcoin. This is an all-time high for BTC. And according to the on-chain data, there are now 991,670 Bitcoin addresses holding this amount as of March 29th. Now, this is a number that has consistently risen since Bitcoin's inception. And as more and more users have adopted crypto, we've seen this number continue to rise. Despite all the negativity surrounding crypto, despite all the economic hardship that we're seeing throughout not just the US, but the world, this number continues to rise. More and more people are realizing that crypto is here to stay. It's a safe haven in these times of uncertainty. And there are those that can take advantage of these opportunities. We go through this period of crypto moving from the hands of the impatient to the hands of the patient. And it has been very apparent that this has been a consistent thing that happens throughout all these market cycles. It's essentially just rinse and repeat every 4 years. It's very amazing, actually, that it has been as consistent as it has. Now, this bear market, we've seen obviously some very interesting negativity in terms of war and inflation and interest rates, all these negative externalities that you think would cripple a lot of the industries, crypto especially. But in fact, we are seeing the exact opposite. Crypto is thriving during this time. It's receiving more and more adoption. There's more and more holders every single day. While there is pushback from larger entities, throughout the world, crypto is continuing to thrive, and it really seems like it's going to be a mainstay. Now, BTC right now still looks like a huge opportunity. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. It's still below 50% from the all-time high of 69,000 that happened late in the fall of 2021. And if we look back at the history of BTC, we can see it goes through these cycles, these dips, these pullbacks, these bear markets. And right now, we are obviously in one. We're in these times where the price is down. But if we follow through on what has been seen throughout history, that's where the upside lies. That's where the potential for BTC and the broader crypto market really does still exist. And as we see broader adoption throughout the world in terms of spendability, in terms of adoption as far as currencies in several different countries, this is where there's a lot of opportunity that still is there for Bitcoin. So I thought I'd share that with you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely show your support below for the ClearCryptos channel. If you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.